What's going on, people? It's your main man, Daym Drops, and right now I am in Jersey City at the cake factory of Buddy Valastro. I know you got a sweet tooth. I'm about to give you the sugar rush, because ain't no faking it when Daym Drops is baking it. Let's go find one.
Hey!
Buddy, what's going on? How you doing, man?
This is where we produce all the goodies that are made for all my bakeries across the country. So this is our cake decorating room. Right. This is where we film Cake Boss.
Right now, it just kind of smells like fresh baked happiness.
When I come home, my wife says, you know, you always smell sweet.
Am I in baker's heaven? Yes, you are. Welcome.
So this is the baking room. They'll probably make about 8,000 pounds of cannoli cream today. Here are the ovens. You see the stuff baking? This is where the magic happens. But this is kind of like a mock little bakery. I'll make my cake nice and slow, and then I'll let you do yours. I'm gonna give them a little cake decorating lesson, Hoboken style, baby.
So you can make me a professional, is what you're saying?
I don't know if I could do that. So let me just show you how we work. The turntable is my best friend. I'm gonna center my cake on there, and then I'm gonna just squirt some icing on.
Just grab that thing up right there?
Yeah. You watching? You watching?
I'm watching, I'm learning.
Now we're gonna spin like a DJ, playing his records, old school. We get our top nice and square.
Right.
Now we're gonna go like this.
Oh. But you just showing off right now, look at that. They don't call him the cake boss for nothing.
Now you do it.
Yeah, you know I got you, man.
Right.
I already got mine started up over here, buddy.
All right,
I need you to stand back. You need to watch professionalism.
I'm gonna watch.
I need room, buddy. I need room to operate. You know? Buddy's about to show me how to frost the cake like a pro. Ooh.
Oh, boy.
Little right there in the side. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We have to get the bottom too. Bow.
Rachel, I gotta tell you, you look like me next to Daym. That's how bad he is. Let me just see what I can do.
You gonna touch some
All right,
things
man,
up?
I'm not even gonna do too much. I'm just gonna go like that. I'm gonna go like this.
I taught this man everything he knows. This is how we operate. I get things started, he finishes the party.
Make a rose. You go up. Easy, easy. Okay, good. Now that you have a foundation, you start back to forward with the petals.
This is what you're looking for. You see
Wow,
that thing, man?
it's looking pretty good now. Let's see what we do. If I didn't have that foundation, I would have not been able to make this flower.
Teamwork.
Belly bump.
Buddy, no way in the world I'm gonna sit here and spend this whole entire day making this cake and not taste this cake. Ooh. Oh, you creamy, huh, boo? Oh, you decadent and divine all at the same time. We got that nice fluffy cake, chocolate frosting, vanilla frosting. Is that a little bit of pudding on the inside? They had nerve to put in some sweet pudding. This cake gives you a full understanding of what your cake probably should be. But unless you Buddy the Cake Boss, it can't be.